This video is going to serve as the orientation for the Virginia Highlands Community College MTT web class as taught by Professor Gallagher. The MTT web class that taught by Professor Gallagher does not use MyMathLab and does not require the purchase of any kinds of code or access. To take part in this class, the first thing you need to do is bring up your web browser like I have, and then type in the web address www.myopenmath.com. When you go to that web page, the first thing you will need to do is register as a new student. When you register as a new student, the first thing you'll put in is a username. I'm going to put in temp1. You choose your own username. You're going to put in a password. You're going to confirm your password. And then you put in your first and last name. And then you're going to put in your email address. And you're going to want to use your Virginia Highlands email address, or if you don't want to use that one, make sure you use one that you check on a regular basis. Leave it checked here where it says notify me by email when I receive a new message. Check the box that says you agree to the terms of use. And the next thing you would do is enter in a course ID. The course ID will be a 4-digit number that I send you, and you also enter in the enrollment key, which will be a 4-digit number that I send you. Now we'll take a look at the MTE3 class. And again, don't use this number unless you're actually going to be in the MTE3 class. Use the number that I send to you. But I'm going to enter in the number to get me into MTE3. And when I hit sign up, it would take me to the MTE3 class. Now, in this case, temp1 was in use. So I'm going to hit try again. Let's just try temp2. And go through the process again, putting in password, name, email address, check the box, and once again try putting in this course ID. And see if that works this time. Alright, so I'll return to the login page and log in as temp2. Alright, when I log in, it shows that I'm enrolled in the MTE3 class. So I'll click on it, and you can have your computer remember this password if you like. And here's what you're going to see. First thing I want to show you is that there's a folder here that contains links to videos. If you're in the MTE3 class, the videos that pertain to you will be at the MTE3 link. But you can watch any video you want from any of the MTE classes. We'll take a look at what's available at MTE3, and this is going to bring up a YouTube link and start showing you all the videos related to the MTE3 class.
I want to take a second and just look at a few definitions
Now, once you follow that link, you can watch any of those videos there that you like. Let's go back and look at the main folder. In this main folder, first thing you'll find is that there is a orientation. This orientation consists of about 8 questions that will take you through and show you how to enter answers in your homework exercises and on your test. So you're going to want to go through these. This is not for grade, but it's to give you practice as to how this software works. Again, going back to the course, you'll see that we have a lot of folders here. You'll notice when you open up one of the folders, you'll see things like, and all the folders are different as far as what they contain, but this one contains a text that you can go and read. So you could read through this text. This one shows that it has a little page here with like a little worksheet or whatever on sign numbers. Let that download real quick. So here's a sign number worksheet that you can read through. Some of these have worksheets. Some of them have video examples. Again, here's a link to YouTube with more videos.
Welcome to an introduction to integers. The goals of this video are to define the set.
So there are videos you can watch, worksheets that you can go through, text that you can read. Some of them have video examples that you can work through. Once you've been through all the material, each one of these folders will have a homework set. So we'll go to the homework set. Some have 8 to 10 questions, some have a dozen, some have more, some have less. But with this one, what I'm going to do first of all is enter in an incorrect answer and show you that when you hit submit, it will tell you you got the answer wrong. So I'm going to enter in another incorrect answer, and it tells me that I got it wrong for the second time. You can try each problem twice. If you miss it twice, you can click on try another exercise and keep trying it again. Some of these problems will have, if you're having trouble with work, examples that will show you. Others, if it doesn't have work examples for you to look at, will have video help. It just depends upon the question. So, like this one, there's a video you can watch that will tell you how to classify these numbers. So every one of these has different types of help that you can get. So again, with each one of these, you're going to have one or more homework sets to go through. Text, videos, and again, homework. Once you get through all the homework, and this one, for example, 14 homework sets to go. Again, some only have 5 or 6 or 7. Some have 20. Depending upon the length of the module, there'll be different numbers of homework sets. Once you've been through all the homework sets, you can try the test. You notice that the password is required for the test. You have to go to the testing center on campus to take the test, and they will have the password that you need. So again, you'll read through the text, try the homework, and then take the test. Once you finish the test, and once you make a 75 or better on a test, you'll be able to move on to whatever module you need to do next. If you have any questions, if this video doesn't answer, feel free to email me, and I look forward to working with you.